Welcome to the vibrant world of the Coen River rainbowfish. The Coen River rainbowfish brings the beauty of Oceania to the aquarium.
The origin of the Coen River rainbow, rainbowfish, traces back to Australian streams.
The Melanoataninae family is famous for incredible aquatic colors. A stunning bright blue stripe runs directly across the middle body.
The bright orange scales contrast perfectly against the blue stripe.
Green aquatic plants make the bright orange scales pop beautifully.
Notice the deep red coloration, highlighting the elegant fins.
Adult Coen River rainbowfish reach about 10 to 11 centimeters.
The 10-centimeter size makes the Coen River rainbowfish a perfect centerpiece.
The expected lifespan ranges from 5 to 8 full years.
Providing excellent care ensures the Coen River rainbowfish lives a long life.
The Coen River rainbowfish prefers to swim in the middle water layer.
The middle tank zone offers the best swimming space for the Coen River rainbowfish.
Spotting the difference between the male and female Coen River rainbowfish is easy.
The male Coen River rainbowfish develops a distinctively arched back.
The male Coen River rainbowfish also grows significantly larger than the female. The female Coen River rainbowfish maintains a much slimmer body profile.
The Coen River rainbowfish is very peaceful with similar sized tank mates.
Avoid keeping the Coen River rainbowfish with very tiny microfish.
Coen River rainbowfish might accidentally bully extremely small tank mates.
A well-matched community tank creates a perfectly harmonious environment.
Maintain the water temperature between 24 and 30 degrees Celsius.
The warm tropical water keeps the Coen River rainbowfish highly active.
The ideal pH level ranges from exactly 7 to 8.
Neutral to alkaline water mimics the natural Australian river perfectly.
The Coen River rainbowfish requires a water hardness of 8 to 18 DGH.
Mineral-rich hard water promotes excellent bone and scale health.
The omnivorous Coen River rainbowfish readily accepts high-quality flake food.
Premium sinking pellets provide a completely balanced daily diet. Fresh bloodworms are a fantastic protein-rich treat for the Coen River rainbowfish. Brine shrimp help enhance the natural orange and red colors.
A highly diverse diet ensures the brightest possible aquatic colors.
The male Coen River rainbowfish displays peak colors during the breeding season.
The vibrant color display successfully attracts the female Coen River rainbowfish.
The female Coen River rainbowfish scatters the eggs directly into the dense plants.
The adult Coen River rainbowfish will quickly eat the freshly laid eggs.
Always remove the adult Coen River rainbowfish immediately after the spawning process.
Separating the adults keeps the vulnerable eggs completely safe.
The tiny Coen River rainbowfish fry will hatch after exactly 1 week.
Keeping the Coen River rainbowfish separate prevents unwanted genetic hybridization.
Preserving the pure genetics keeps the hobby incredibly strong.
A large school of Coen River rainbowfish creates an unforgettable visual masterpiece.
A moderate water current simulates the natural Australian stream perfectly.
Natural driftwood provides excellent hiding spots for the Coen River rainbowfish.
Dense background plants make the Coen River rainbowfish feel completely secure.
A soft sandy bottom completes the perfect Australian biotope setup.
The Coen River rainbowfish is an extremely fast and agile swimmer.
The bright blue lateral line flashes brilliantly under the aquarium lights.
The Coen River rainbowfish is always ready for the daily feeding time. A plump belly is a strong indicator of a healthy Coen River rainbowfish.
Large bottom dwellers make perfect companions for the Coen River rainbowfish. Floating plants help diffuse the bright light for the Coen River rainbowfish. The metallic sheen makes the Coen River rainbowfish look incredibly expensive.
The Coen River rainbowfish is currently a massive trend in the aquarium hobby.
Clear eyes mean the Coen River rainbowfish is in perfect health condition.
Strong filtration keeps the water pristine for the Coen River rainbowfish.
Weekly water changes maintain the perfect environment for the Coen River rainbowfish.
A peaceful environment ensures the Coen River rainbowfish keeps perfect fins.
Male Coen River rainbowfish will playfully establish dominance within the group.
The female Coen River rainbowfish calmly observes the colorful male displays.
Dimming the lights helps the Coen River rainbowfish transition to rest.
The active Coen River rainbowfish needs the dark night for proper rest.
The morning light brings out the boundless energy of the Coen River rainbowfish.
The Coen River rainbowfish is highly curious about new aquarium decorations. The streamlined body allows the Coen River rainbowfish to navigate tight spaces.
The Coen River rainbowfish is highly sensitive to fast external movements.
The Coen River rainbowfish quickly learns to recognize the daily caregiver. The mouth structure allows the Coen River rainbowfish to eat efficiently.
The Coen River rainbowfish schools tightly when feeling slightly cautious.
A relaxed Coen River rainbowfish uses the entire available swimming space.
A dark background makes the Coen River rainbowfish colors truly explode.
The bright LED light reveals every detail of the Coen River rainbowfish. The peaceful Corydoras catfish is a great friend for the Coen River rainbowfish.
Ensure the food size is appropriate for the Coen River rainbowfish.
Crushed flakes are perfectly sized for the Coen River rainbowfish.
Zero stress marks mean the Coen River rainbowfish is perfectly happy. The Coen River rainbowfish needs ample space to exercise the strong muscles.
Every single Coen River rainbowfish has a slightly unique scale pattern.
Finds. The Coen River rainbowfish absolutely loves highly oxygenated water environments.
The Coen River rainbowfish is truly an aquatic jewel from Australia.
A massive school of Coen River rainbowfish is a breathtaking sight.
Rocky caves provide interesting structures for the fish to explore.
The blue line on the Coen River rainbowfish shifts color depending on the light.
The Coen River rainbowfish is the ultimate centerpiece for any river biotope.
The Coen River rainbowfish reacts instantly to the feeding container sound. The burst speed of the Coen River rainbowfish is highly impressive.
The highly active Coen River rainbowfish requires a peaceful resting environment.
Like, share and subscribe for more Coen River rainbowfish content.
Hit the bell to learn more about the Coen River rainbowfish.
Do you own a Coen River rainbowfish? Comment down below.
The Coen River rainbowfish is a 5-star addition to any aquarium.
Add the spectacular Coen River rainbowfish to the home aquarium today.
The vibrant Coen River rainbowfish will never cease to amaze.
The Coen River rainbowfish represents the bright future of the aquarium hobby.
This is the aquatic lie.
Thank you for watching the Coen River Rainbowfish Guide.
Happy fish keeping!